Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import media into CapCut PC. So if I figure you're already in the media tab here, so you're just going to select the import button, and here's where you can import photos, songs, videos, of course. So you can also select a lot of things at once. I'm just going to select this one, for instance, and I'm going to double click it, and it's going to be imported into the media tab right here, and you can just add the video here, or you can also open a folder and select a video from there, drag it and drop it into the media tab. Again, you can import songs, photos like PNGs and stuff, and videos as well, and you can sort your files here. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.